Now we can learn the 10th question. In a box, there are 20 non-defective and some defective bulbs. How many non-defective? 20. Okay. Some defective bulbs. So, good bulbs number is given. The defective bulbs number is not mentioned here. If the probability of a bulb selected at random from the box found to be defective. With this, they given the probability of selecting defective bulbs is 3 by 8. It is mentioned. But number of defective bulbs not given. Probability of defective bulbs is given as 3 by 8. Then find the number of defective bulbs. So we have to find the number of defective bulbs. How many defective bulbs are there in the box? Since we need to find out, we can choose a variable x as that value. So we can find out the x value, and that is the answer for this question. Okay, to find the number of defective bulbs. So let x be the number of defective bulbs we are choosing this way. Then we have to write a given number of non-defective bulbs is 20. Okay, non-defective 20, defective x. So totally how many balls in the box? It is x plus 20. Okay, that means n of s is equal to x plus 20. Total number of balls for this, anyway, totally inside the box this much bulbs are there. That's only we are choosing as n of s. It is x plus 20. Okay, next, in our question they given the probability of selecting defective bulbs. Okay, so we can choose this selecting defective bulbs as an event A. So let A be the event of selecting defective bulbs. Okay, so how many defective bulbs are there? X, that is n of A. Okay, so n of A equal to x. What is the formula of finding P of A? P of A, using the formula, P of A is equal to n of A by n of s. Okay, so what is n of A? It is x. N of s is total number of balls, that is x plus 20. This value we got it using the formula. Okay, this is using formula. Now, probability of selecting defective bulbs, that is this one, we written in sentence form, it is equal to x plus 20. You consider that is equation number 1. Why we are considering equation number 1? In the question also they given probability of selecting defective bulbs is 3 by 8. Okay, so that value we have to compare with this value. So we are putting the equation number 1 and writing. Okay, next you see what is given, we are written. Also given probability of selected bulb to be defective is 3 by 8. It is given part. You consider this as equation number 2. So we can compare, both are selecting defective bulbs only. So we can compare the value, x by x plus 20 is equal to 3 by 8. From this you can cross multiply and find the value of x. It is your part. You complete as a homework. Okay, you find out the x value. So that is the number of defective bulbs. You write the final answer also. Okay, easy only. This algebraic expression simplification. Easily you can find out. You will not get the square, x square, quadratic, linear equation only you can find out easily. Okay, after completing this sum, you have to complete example 8:24 as homework. See the homework question. A bag contains 6 green balls, some black and red balls. Number of black balls is as twice as the number of red balls. Okay, number of black balls is as twice as number of red balls. Probability of getting a green ball is thrice the probability of getting a red ball. Okay, this is number of, this is probability of. You should identify the difference. It is number of, this is probability of. Okay, find the first question, find number of black balls. How many black balls are there? How many red balls? Then total number of balls, not red balls, total number of balls. If you find the red balls only, you can find it totally. Anyway, here they ask the total number of balls and black balls. You write that in the final answer. Okay, see, using this condition, first of all, number of green balls are given. It is denoted as n of g, green ball. So n of g, it is 6. Then we don't know the red balls, we consider it is x. Here they given one relation, number of black ball is twice as number of red balls. So in number of black balls, n of b is equal to twice of red balls. It is red balls is x, so twice means 2x. Okay, then total number of balls, it is n of s. So how many balls? 6 green balls, x red balls, then 2x blue balls, black balls. So x 6 plus x plus 2x, it is 6 plus 3x. So n of s is equal to 6 plus 3x. Okay, then what is the second condition? Probability of getting a green ball. Probability of green ball we can write as P of G is thrice the probability of getting red ball. 3 times probability of red. Okay, probability of green ball, what is the formula? N of G by N of S. What is the probability of red ball formula? N of R divided by N of S. Okay, so which is equal to 3 into, apply, substitute the value, N of G is 6, 6 divided by 6 plus 3x equal to 3 into N of R is x, x divided by 6 plus 3x. Okay, so substitute this values using the formula and simplify. Okay, by cross multiplication and all, simplify and find the value of x. In the book they given shortly, but you know all the steps you can do with the correct steps. Don't write like a without understanding, don't write like books. Okay, so you understand and write enough steps. At last you can substitute the x value, so you will get the black balls. Black balls is n of b equal to 2x, so 2 into 2, it is 4. Then you can substitute the x value in the n of s, 6 plus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So you will get the number of black balls and total number of balls. Okay, so complete, don't copy from the book. Are you all clear?